Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a metallic gradient feature card using layer styles in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a wide canvas for a premium feature layout. First I select the custom shape tool and draw a rounded rectangle as the card base. Then I apply a metallic gradient overlay blending dark gray, silver, and light highlights. After that I add bevel and emboss to give the card a solid metal feel. Now I duplicate the shape, move it slightly down, and darken it to create depth. Next I apply a soft inner shadow to enhance realism. Then I refine corners and edges so the gradient flows smoothly. After this I balance highlights so nothing feels harsh. Finally I zoom out and polish the card until it feels